Okay, on this vehicle I'm gonna be changing the hub wheel assembly. Yeah, I got this one from the junkyard. Check it out, see, hopefully it's still good. Sounds good. Save money like that. So you already know you gotta take out your tire, take out your 32 axle nut before jacking it up. Make sure you get it on jack stands. Check if your jack stands could handle your vehicle weight. It's always good to use backup as well. I always use full jack stands even in the front. Alright, so you already know, get your caliper out. You had two 22s in the back holding in the caliper. Always hang it up into the shock, or just hang it up somewhere. You don't want this tight. So I had an issue taking out the drum, when most people will, living in Chicago or any rust area. Keep hanging there. Keep hanging there.
We will percussive shock you.
This sucker ain't coming out. Plus, I did it for a long time. I don't think it's gonna come out. So there's a little trick you can actually do. Still, if you don't got that puller or to take out the disc, they have some tools so you'll be able to take it out. But if you don't want to spend the money on that, it's understandable. You could actually put a bolt where the caliper goes, a long one. Get two lug nuts that will fit, even maybe just one, but I don't want to damage this bolt, so I have another lug nut there. As you keep tightening this, it's gonna put pressure into the drum and take it out. So I'm gonna show you that process right now. That work? Oh wow, just one time. Oh, and that baby is out. I did put some WE-40 yesterday, try to break it loose, but see, that's a great trick. It really never fails. You don't gotta spend that much money. I'm buying the tool for it. It's a good trick. Tight. That's definitely a bad wheelbarrow. You just gotta remove these 4 bolts on the back. These are tight. Before you take out the hub, make sure you also take out the speed sensor. It's just a 10mm bolt. You just need to take out.
Percussive shock you.
We will percussive shock you.
We will percussive shock you.
We will percussive shock you.
It's definitely a bad wheelbarrow. So you're gonna probably need 2 hands to put this on. You gotta put in the dust shield. Let somebody hold that on while you put in the wheelbarrow. I'm gonna need 2 hands, so just to get the idea, make sure that opening is to the side of you, to the left side of you. I got this back on, got anti-seize all through it. Inside the axle I put anti-seize as well. It's metal to metal, anything metal to metal, it's good to put anti-seize. See, I had a bit of a trouble taking out the rotor. If you do this, you most likely won't have that issue, but You saw the little trick I did with the caliper, putting in the bolt, pops it right out. Put the rotor back on. Just sand it up a little bit because I think it just bad. We'll be buying a new one. So have to change the brakes. Just keeps it on. No, that's not sure you don't have any grease on the disc when you touched it by hand. I pressed in the brake by accident. I had to move the tire. Someone had to push in the caliper. I don't know if you can see the setup. Anywhere that's gonna touch the brake. Try to work it out. So you tuck these down if you have the specs, and I get them as tight as you can with a breaker part. And I put on back on the bracket. And you also got to put on this rear. So this vehicle is 84 pounds for the lug nuts.